Dinner time! This cucumber kimchi, scallion kimchi, serrano pepper, and cucumber go great with Korean barbecue. These three dipping sauces are perfect for the meat and veggies. I actually think indoor Korean barbecue is one of the easiest Korean foods, yet satisfying. Most of Korean food takes too much time for preparation, but this one is so easy to prepare. Heat up the grill and rub it with some olive oil. I'm gonna cook some mushrooms and pork belly first. I love this sizzling sound. Reminds me of raining. Try some of these cucumbers with SSAMJANG. It's so good together. It's also healthy. This SSAMJANG is a mixture of soybean paste, pepper paste, minced garlic, honey, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. I think I'm gonna make the Korean dipping sauce recipe pretty soon. Turn the meat over and cut it into your preferred bite size. This pork belly and the mushroom taste great with the sesame oil sauce. Sesame sauce is for everybody. It's a must-have for Korean barbecue. Just mix with salt, black pepper, and sesame oil. Once the meat is ready, make a wrap with lettuce and sesame leaves. Place the dipped meat in the middle of the wrap with scallion kimchi and serrano pepper, whatever you like. And make sure to drink the mushroom juice too. Dipping in the sesame sauce and yum. Or you can try the hot sauce. Once you're done with the pork belly and mushrooms, it's time for marinated kalbi. There might be some people who never tried Korean barbecue before, kalbi, but there's no one who only tried once. Smells so good. Finished all of them. This is how you have Korean barbecue at home without spending a couple of $100s at the restaurant. Enjoy!